Hey kids, you guys that have birthdays coming up, I feel bad because I miss you. And I wanted to try to make you a special virtual birthday party. So I do not have cake. So today you have birthday jello. So I'm going to sing Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lydia, Lena, and anybody else who has a birthday coming up. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Okay, number one, if you get, I'll save that for later. Anyways, we have a present to open. I wonder what it is. I hope you don't mind me opening your present for you. I wonder. Just what I always wanted. And some more. I'm hoarding it. What else is in here? Awesome. Special, extra special birthday present. Look, what is it? Oh, so cool. Okay, so when you get one of these face masks for your birthday, you have to be very careful, whoops, around your birthday your birthday candle because this could happen. But that's a story for another day. So I'm so excited. I'm going to share all my presents with my friends, except for maybe these ones. I hope you guys have an awesome birthday. I miss you.